First, unplug the high voltage connector. Then unplug the low voltage connector. Pry open the small trim panel below the center display. Pull out the sensor connector. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the bracket screws. Pull out the display. Use a T30 screwdriver to remove the trim panel behind the display. Unplug the display connector. Take out the rear display trim panel. Remove the side trim panel of the dashboard. Remove the clips. Remove the side trim panel. Locate the CAN connector. Connect the CAN connector. Take out the rear display trim panel. Remove the phone tray trim panel. Connect the power takeoff plug-and-play connector, no splicing required. Route the motor wire through here. Place the controller inside the designated trim panel area. Use a T20 screwdriver to remove the sensor. Install the sensor onto the new trim panel. Reconnect the sensor connector. Hang the trim panel in place. Do not snap it tight yet. Install the electric bracket. Snap the trim panel firmly into place. Install the original bracket screws. Install the new rear display trim panel. Reconnect the display connector. Install the display. Use the dedicated screws to secure the display to the bracket. Connect the motor connector. Power on the entire vehicle for testing.